Senior Congress leader Rahul Gandhi is set to visit Odisha in November and December. Pradesh Congress Committee President Bhakt Das announced that large-scale programs will be held across the state during his visit. Key issues like vote theft, poverty, and women's safety will be at the heart of the campaign. Rahul Gandhi will take part in roadshows, address massive public rallies, and participate in district-level programs, touring several regions of Odisha. According to party sources, this outreach is expected to energize grassroots workers and highlight what Congress describes as Odisha's neglected socio-economic challenges. Congress leaders believe Rahul Gandhi's presence will help the party amplify its message and connect directly with voters on the ground.
स्पष्ट है नहीं निश्चित भाव रे से समय रे राहुल गांधी जी आसे किंतु सही समय रे हेबो नवंबर डिसेंबर भितरे निश्चित भाव रे गोटे बड़ कार्यक्रम हेबो सेथिरे से आसे भोट चोरी भी मुख्य प्रसंग हेबो एवं ए जो आज समस्या जोटा छी सेटा मध्ये मुख्य प्रसंग हेबो एवं नारी आमे कहि आइछु सेटा भी आज पर्यंत तार समाधान रो उपाय किछि हे नहीं एते कथा हैला परे भी सारा विश्व जानिला हसिला देखिले करिले लज्जित हेले सब कले किंतु सरकार पाखरे रिमेडी नाही रोड शो भी हबो सभा भी हबो पदयात्रा भी हबो।